Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the language on your Android device. So do you want to switch your Android phone's language to something else, or maybe you're learning a new language or you just prefer a different one? I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language on your Android device quickly and easily. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to unlock your phone settings, which we have here. And once you get into the settings, of course, settings look like a gear. So just go ahead and tap to open it. Then in the settings menu, scroll down near the bottom and tap systems. So, of course, this differs with different Android styles. Now, for some Android phones, you have system, while for this particular Android phone, you have general management. So go ahead and click on general management and you're going to find the language here. So for other phones, just go ahead and click on system, and inside the system, go ahead and tap on languages and input. This is where you manage your device's language settings. So for here, I have that. This is language. You can change the general language, or you can change app language, anyone that you want. So I can just go ahead and click on language, and you see, just go ahead and tap on your default language and you'll see a list of languages. This is your default language, English. Now click on add language, and usually the plus sign or button at and once you click on that, scroll through or search to find your preferred language, which is now going to be your secondary language. Okay, so tap the language that you want to add. Once added, drag the new language to the top of the list, or tap it and select set as default, and your device interface will instantly switch to this new language. Now, some languages have regional variations, like English US versus English UK. So choose the one that fits you best. If you want to keep your system language but type in a different language, just go back to language and inputs. Then you can now click on keyboard list and default, or Samsung keyboard setting, or physical keyboard. Just select any of them and choose a new language for your keyboard and set it as default. So that's pretty much how it works. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.